I am Hiya Vasavda, All India rank 43 with 697 out of 720 marks. I am the Gujarat female topper. I studied hard for the past 2 years. I have been studying with consistency, that is, I did not stop studying in between getting bored. I kept studying for the 2 years. And when coaching classes were going on, I used to study for 5 to 6 hours per day. But then as major tests started, so I wanted to give one final push for NEET. So I started studying for 12 to 13 hours. And one thing which I think is very important is to keep a balance between theory and practice. So in the end, many people are confused that how many papers should we write per day and how much should we read, short notes or anything. What I used to do was that I used to revise 4 to 5 chapters per day and would write 2 to 3 papers. So I would be able to complete both theory as well as practice.
That's great. So you have coined your own strategy as well.
Yeah.
Right. So in the last, last 1 month, what was your pattern of study and how did you cope with the numbers of days that were falling short of before exams? So how did you cope?
I had the method of following the major test syllabus. So we had part syllabus tests. So I used to use that syllabus for my own revision as well. That is, if there are full syllabus tests going on, I would take the syllabus of part syllabus tests and give a fixed number of days to that syllabus. So I was able to complete all the syllabus on time.
How was the question paper according to you?
Re-NEET question paper was quite difficult. It was lengthy. But I knew that if the paper is lengthy for me, then it is lengthy for the entire of India. So I knew that it was an advantage for me. So I tried my best that day.
So you have you have surpassed lakhs of students, and today you are standing in the glorious few rank, right? So how do you feel now?
I am very happy, and my entire family is very proud of me, and I am happy that I have made them proud.
Who are your parents and what do they do?
Both my parents are doctors. My mother, Dr. Halak Vasavda, is a pediatrician, and my father, Dr. Jasmine Vasavda, is a cancer surgeon. Both of them have been a great inspiration to me, and yet they have never pressurized me in any way.
How nice. So one more new little doctor is coming on the way.
Yeah.
That's great. So how do you see your future? You want to specialize in which field?
I have not yet thought about that. I will first complete MBBS and then I will think which field I want to go for.
Right. Any message you want to give to your juniors?
Yes, I would say that consistency is key. Keep working, you will get there.
Thank you. That was wonderful talking to you. Yeah.
Thank you
All
so
the best.
much. Thank you.